Hello, future officers. I hope you all are doing good in this pandemic condition. So, I am here, Meghna Sharma, recommended for AFCAT entry from 4 AFSV Varanasi on 19th November, I guess. Yes, 19th November. So, till now, you have been understood why I had come here. समझ गए ना तुम लोग बहुत तेज हो रहे हो बेटा So now I'm sharing something with you. So let me start when I start preparing for it. So my journey has been started from 2019. That was my first attempt for MNS. That is military nursing service, as you all of you know. Okay. At that time, I'm very clear in my views that I have to join forces from whichever entry I got the chance to join these prestigious forces. But in 2019, I could not able to make an MNS. So I felt really bad, really worse at that time. But I had introspected my faults, so I got to know where I am lacking. This is the funda. You have to introspect yourself. Without introspection, you're not able to correct your mistakes, what the wrong path you have taken. Okay. But the thing I got to know from intrinsic motivation is that the thing you have outside motivation, that is extrinsic motivation from videos, from photos, from officers which are commissioned. These are the intrinsic motivation is that तुम क्यों करना चाहते हो, क्यों यही करोगे. These are the types of intrinsic motivation. From this I got to know that MNS is not my type. I'm such an adventurous person. I'm also a national basketball player. And adding the point that I've selected for the trials of Commonwealth Games 2022. So from here, I had decided to prepare for AFCAT and CDSE entries, but also thought of giving a last attempt for MNS. From Feb 2020, I had started preparing for CDSE and FCAT. In June, I got to know Queenie. She helped me a lot. She had motivated me for everything. She had solved my all doubts. And my good friend also met here in June. That is Roshni. I could not clear MNS 2020. Also, the failure strike me twice with a hit so hard I can't even think. But the thought of never giving up is always in my mind. So I am able to clear AFCAT in October. So one of my friend is in Navy. He helped me a lot for the FSB. Lately the outcome is before you. So guys, keep preparing because we don't know the future. We can't able to predict the future. You know. You are able to predict the future. You know now. That's why keep preparing because which attempt will be fruitful for us, we don't know. And now, chalo, let's get to the further information about eligibility. So, eligibility criteria for aspirants for biology background, that is ground duty non-tech, with minimum 60% is in graduation in any discipline of science, whether it be physics, chemistry, biology, anything. Okay. So getting into the preference of book, as seeing the paper, there are 25 questions of GK, mostly are from static portion. Have to cover static portion mostly. Rarely one or two current affairs ask. So you can prepare GK from Manohar Pandey, the best book I recommend. Moving next to reasoning, there are 32 questions for the same. So this you can prepare from R.S. Agrawal. Moving to maths, that consists of 18 questions. So for maths, you can refer the book. There is a combined book named First Step, AFCAT First Step by DDE publication. So lastly for English, there are 25 questions. Everyone knows that SV Bakshi always rocks for English. Now moving to SSB. SSB यार डरने की बात नहीं है. Let's begin. SSB is a 5-day procedure. On the very first day, the reporting is done. For some entries, the reporting time may be 6:30 a.m. For some entries, it would be 2:30 p.m. So my reporting is 6:30 a.m. Okay. On the very first day, screening happened, which consists of two tests. That is OIR, Officer Intelligence Rating Test, and PPDT, that is Picture Perception and Description Test. So after documentation, OIR test will conduct. After this, PPTT, that is Picture Perception and Description Test, will be conducted. Okay. So in OIR, there are two booklets of reasoning. For them, time is allotted as per the difficulty level of the question they ask in booklets. Okay. There is no negative marking for the OIR, adding plus point to the test. On the basis of test, the candidates are given OIR 1, that is Officer Intelligence Rating first. The candidates whosoever are scoring between 90 and 100. Okay. OIR 2 is scoring between 80 and 90, like this, so on. Okay. Okay. So let's talk about PPTT. They will show you a blurred picture by a projector for about 30 seconds. You have to perceive that picture, write a story in 4 minutes on what you have perceived. This is the way how you have to do your PPTT, but it is not the halwa. So screening results are announced at 1400 hour, that is 2 p.m. after lunch. After lunch, they would announce the results. The screen out candidates go home directly from the very first day. Okay. And the screen in candidates will stay for further 4 days of testing. Our batch screening ratio is so bad. I was also shocked from this. Okay. The screening ratio were 261 candidates had reported, and out of them 30 were screened in only. So let's move to the second day. On this day, all psychological tasks will be conducted, that is including WAT, word association test, SRT, situation reasoning test, TAT, thematic appreciation test, further self description test. On third day, all group tasks will be conducted. Okay. And some candidates will have personal interview on third day. Fourth day, again remaining task and personal interview will be conducted. And on the fifth day, final conference will be held. After conference, the final results are announced that you are recommended or not. In our batch, out of 30, only 3 are recommended. Ratio is worst. Recommended candidates go for their medicals for further 4-5 days. Okay. So this is the procedure of SSB, FSB, NSB, that is Self Selection Board, FO Selection Board, Naval Selection Board. For doing good in FSB, SSB or NSB, you have to introspect you. Okay. Not more than that 1-2 days. You have to introspect yourself for 1-2 days. Okay. And build some OLQs by practicing them practically in day-to-day life. Okay. This is the main motive. You have to introspect. Okay. Thank you guys. Keep preparing. You will crack it for sure.